Hey there! Are you tired of using multiple appliances to cook your meals? Well, let me introduce you to a game changer in the kitchen, the Ninja DT251 Foodi 10-in-1 SmartXL Air Fry Oven. This bad boy does it all, from baking and broiling to toasting and roasting. This oven is a true kitchen powerhouse. Now, who is this oven for, you ask? Well, if you're someone who loves cooking but is short on time and space, this Ninja oven is perfect for you. Whether you're a busy parent trying to whip up a quick dinner for the family or a culinary enthusiast looking to expand your cooking repertoire, this oven has got you covered. One of the standout features of the Ninja DT251 is its true surround convection technology. This means that hot air is circulated around your food, ensuring even cooking and crispy results every time. And with a temperature range of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can achieve perfect cooking results for a wide variety of dishes. But that's not all. This oven comes with 6 trays, giving you plenty of cooking options. Whether you're baking cookies, roasting a chicken, or even dehydrating fruit, the Ninja DT251 has got the accessories you need to make it happen. So, how exactly can you use this oven in your daily cooking routine? The possibilities are endless. Use it to bake your morning bagels, toast your sandwiches for lunch, and roast a chicken for dinner. And with the included recipe guide, you'll never run out of inspiration in the kitchen. Now, you may be wondering how the Ninja DT251 stacks up against other air fry ovens on the market. Well, let me tell you, this oven is in a league of its own. With its smart technology and versatile cooking functions, it's a step above the rest. Plus, Ninja is a trusted brand known for its high-quality products, so you can feel confident in your purchase. If you're looking for some tips on how to get the most out of your Ninja DT251, I've got you covered. Make sure to preheat the oven before cooking for optimal results, and don't be afraid to experiment with different cooking settings to find what works best for you. And always remember to clean your oven regularly to keep it in top-notch condition. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to convenient, delicious cooking with the Ninja DT251 Foodi 10-in-1 SmartXL Air Fry Oven. Trust me, once you start using this oven, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So go ahead, click that Add to Cart button now and experience the magic of the Ninja DT251 for yourself. Happy cooking!